My name's Daniel Lee. I've been on the graduate scheme now for 4 years, and I'm a business development manager within the INEOS hydrogen team. It's fantastic to be working in the field of hydrogen, and people are realising the role that it has to play in a decarbonised society. We get a significant amount of support whilst we're on the INEOS graduate scheme to develop you in your career. So you'll be paired up with a mentor you can really utilise through your journey. Pick their brains about how they've gone through their careers and get some advice from them to help you shape your career. The people at INEOS are first and foremost hardworking, but also very approachable. So we can easily walk up to our exec level colleagues and have a conversation with them. We really do on the graduate scheme get responsibility early on in our careers. When I first joined the graduate scheme, I spent 2 years in Cologne working for INEOS OMP North, where I was a polymer product officer. This effectively involved a lot of market analysis work of polyolefins. I was also heavily involved in the circular economy agenda, so really trying to make our products more sustainable and fit for the future. From there, I then moved to Innovin, to our London office in Hans Crescent, and there I was involved in chlor-alkali marketing. Sustainability is very important to me personally. I think it's great to be able to work for INEOS because everything we do, sustainability is at the heart, and hydrogen is a key tool that we have in our toolkit to help decarbonise and to fight climate change. INEOS very recently announced a €2 billion investment into green hydrogen production. For me, that's fantastic. Examples of some of the projects I'm working on is the Raffness water electrolyser project, where we're looking to effectively produce hydrogen and oxygen from water. And that has the potential to save over 22,000 tonnes of CO2 per year. In addition to that, I'm working on a project at Runcorn, where we're looking to treat and compress existing low-carbon hydrogen supply and offer that to the market so that people already today can make the transition from fossil fuels to hydrogen. A lot of my job involves working very closely with our sites across Europe, so liaising with them in order to formulate projects. The people at our sites are really the technical experts, so it's good to speak with them, understand what's technically possible, and then try and determine a business case in order to bring that project forward. A tangible example of how hydrogen can replace fossil fuels is in the transport market. For instance, the use of hydrogen cars instead of fossil-fueled cars today. And when you utilise hydrogen vehicles, the only product you produce is water. So really they're a clean alternative to fossil fuel vehicles today. In the next 5 years, I certainly hope to be powering my car with hydrogen. I'd hope to be using public transport buses that are powered by hydrogen and even trains that are powered by hydrogen. So governments know the importance of meeting net zero. Sustainability and climate change were front and centre of the Conservative Party conference. It was great to have the hydrogen vehicle at this conference because it really shows that it's not something that we're speaking about which will only happen in 30 years' time, 40 years' time, but there really is a difference that can be made starting from today. I had the pleasure of meeting our Prime Minister, Boris Johnson. I really just spoke to him about the opportunity that hydrogen represents. Spoke to him about the projects that we have in the hydrogen space, and really just tried to say that we need a framework in place in order to really build on this hydrogen story in the UK. I think he was very positive, he was very receptive to the discussion, he seemed very well read on the matter and was really supportive of the work that we're doing at INEOS. It's great to work in an industry which effectively touches people's lives every single day for everything that we do, and to really have a role within the company where we can make a difference in that area is fantastic.